Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever heard someone say this business is profitable or that company is doing well and you just nodded like you understood but honestly you didn't? Same. As a student, nobody teaches us how to actually read the numbers behind money. And that's a problem because if you can't read basic financial statements, you're basically guessing when it comes to investing, running a business, or even judging opportunities. Today, I'm breaking it down super simply, like I'm explaining it to a friend. What are financial statements? Think of financial statements as a report card for money. They're documents that show how a business is doing, what it owns, what it owes, and whether it's actually making money or just looking successful. Investors, banks, and even business owners use these reports to check a company's financial health. There are three main financial statements, and once you understand these, you unlock a powerful life skill. The balance sheet, what do you have versus what you owe? Let's start with the balance sheet. Imagine you, as a student, write down your phone, laptop, cash, savings. Then your student loan, borrowed money, unpaid fees. That list is basically a personal balance sheet. A balance sheet shows assets, what the business owns. Liabilities, what it owes. Equity, what's left for the owner. Here's the golden rule. This always matters. What you own equals what you owe plus what's yours. So if a business sold everything today and paid off all its debts, equity tells us what the owners would walk away with. Think of the balance sheet as a photo. It captures the financial position at one exact moment. The income statement, did you make or lose money? Now let's talk about the income statement. This one answers a simple question. Did the business actually make money over time? For a student example, your income equals allowance, part-time job, side hustle. Your expenses equals food, transport, subscriptions. If income is higher than expenses, profit. If expenses are higher, loss. That's exactly what the income statement does for a business. It shows revenue, money coming in, expenses, money going out, profit or loss at the end. Unlike the balance sheet photo, this is more like a video. It covers a period of time, like a month or a year. Important reminder though, profit does not always mean cash in the bank. And that's where the third statement comes in. The cash flow statement, where did the cash actually go? Have you ever had money on paper but still felt broke? Yeah, same. The cash flow statement tracks real cash movement. Cash coming in, cash going out. It's especially important because many businesses record sales before they actually receive the money. Cash flow is usually broken into three parts. Operating activities, cash from daily business activities. Investing activities, buying or selling equipment, assets. Financing activities, loans, owner investments, repayments. At the end, it explains why cash increased or decreased during the period. This statement keeps businesses alive because you can be profitable and still run out of cash. Quick recap, keep this simple. Let's lock this in. Balance sheet, what the business owns and owes, snapshot. Income statement, profit or loss over time. Cash flow statement, actual movement of cash. Together, these three tell the full money story. Why this matters for you, students. Whether you want to invest in stocks, start a business, understand company performance, or just be financially smarter than average. Being able to read a basic financial statement is a real-world life skill, not theory. This is how wealthy people understand money, not just talk about it. If this helped you understand financial statements better, like the video. Subscribe to Young Wealth Blueprint. This channel is all about sharing what I'm learning on my financial literacy journey so we can build wealth young and intentionally. See you in the next one.